Hey stars, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Thanks. So today we are making Banga soup. I believe Banga soup is one of our favorite because we've been making it back to back. Okay, so here are the ingredients you will need: your proteins, catfish, goat meat, stockfish, pomo, and of course your palm oil seeds, your Atama leaves, which is optional, crayfish, and spices. First, you season your meat and pomo without your catfish because it gets soft faster, yeah? Add your red and yellow scotch bonnet pepper, your seasoning, and give that a good stir. And allow it to get soft, okay? Once your meat is soft, go ahead and add your catfish and stockfish. Mix together and then let it simmer. Alright, here is the banga. We've already extracted it and it's ready for use. Look how reddish it is. Add the banga to your protein. Just look at that. Add your banga spice and your crayfish. Be generous with your crayfish, okay? Add your uyayak and give it a proper mix. Some people prefer their catfish to be broken so it can serve as a thickener as well. Go ahead and pour in your washed Atama leaves, then stir and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Finally, stars, add your yellow scotch bonnet pepper for that flavor, At this point, our banga soup is banging. Hey. Soup is ready. This banga is a banger. My people usually say, it means better food na money kill am. So stars, will you give this a try? Let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching up to this point. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.